everybody, welcome to another video. Today we are going to do a quick unboxing. This is something I ordered off of Amazon for my school class. It is weather science. We're going to do an experiment with weather for science class. I found this on Amazon. It was under $20, not expensive. Why don't we take a look and see what's inside the box. Okay. Here's scissors. Here, a balloon, a cloud maker, a few little plastic pieces. I'm not sure what these are for just yet. Couple here, thermostats. All right, so, and there's this spiral here. We are going to do a few experiments and record them for a video, for this video. So let's get right into it. Okay, today we are doing two experiments. This week for science, we were learning about the greenhouse effect and the water cycle. So we're going to do two experiments. One about showing the greenhouse effect, and we're going to do another experiment showing the water cycle. This is everything we are going to need. A bottle, baking soda, vinegar, pieces from our weather science kit that we got from Amazon. So we are going to take all of this stuff outside and we are going to do our experiments out there. Okay, we are doing the first experiment. It's about the greenhouse effect. So I'm going to go through the steps and you guys will help do the experiment and we'll record the data. What we need is both of these thermometers. This is to hold the thermometer, and these are the arms for each of the thermometers. And we need a bottle, which we've got. So we're going to assemble this. This is what it looks like when you put the two thermometers together. Now, we are going to write what each of the thermometers say, and then we are going to put one thermometer in the bottle for 20 minutes, and then we're going to read the thermometers after 20 minutes to see if the temperature changed and by how much.
Degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, so what is it?
So these are like by fives, right?
Yeah, so the way you read a thermometer is this is the bottom and it goes up depending on how hot it is. So yeah, let me see here.
Fahrenheit's hot, right?
Fahrenheit so blurry. There we go. It's at about 98 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay.
And 36 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we got the temperatures. Did you write both of them down? All right, right beside them, right before, and then we will do an after. So we got the before. Aiden, take the thermometers.
Should I write down the
take
name of
and
the
put
experiment?
one in the bottle,
Whichever one.
the one with the top on it.
Which one? Oh.
Yeah, just like that, and screw it on.
Okay. No one in the way.
Now we have to set it in direct sunlight for 20 minutes. And
No, the sun's this way.
it's fine, that's right, that's in the sun.
Okay.
And we will be back in 20 minutes to check on that. So we're gonna set it right there.
While we're waiting, can I get a drink?
We have to record the times down too. So write 12:05 beside before, and on what you're gonna want is 20 minutes after that. So 12:25. So while we're waiting for that to sit for 20 minutes, we will do the other science experiment,
Out here.
the mini water cycle model. Okay? This is all the pieces for this experiment. Now, yeah, what I want you to do, Aiden, is take the little mountain looking piece, and I want you to put a little bit of soil in it. So I want you to put a little soil. We got the soil from the plants here. So just put a little bit in.
So not make it fill.
Fill it to the bottom. Come here, I'll show you. You fill it to this line right here. Okay?
This
Just
line?
right there.
We're gonna
Because we need room for the other pieces. So we need to add a few drops of water to the soil. Oh, you need a little more than that. Fill it to right here, to the top of the grooves. The hose on the mist setting. Come. Did you get it all packed in there?
Not yet, not quite yet.
Use the good stuff, not the stuff with the roots in it.
So should I dump this all out?
No, that's fine. You got it. Let me see. That's fine. All right. Now, can you hold it right here? Now, we're gonna just add a little bit of water, like that. All right. Next, we are going to put the stopper on it. Where did that plastic piece go? Right here. And that goes in like this. That goes in like that.
Okay.
And then we're going to put this piece on it like this. Push it in there.
What's the stopper for?
Leave that alone, honey.
Falling out.
Okay. All right, so we got that set up. Now you're going to gently place it in the glass. The one glass right here in front of me. Set it on the bottom of the glass. Trinity, do you want to run in and grab the ice cube tray out of the freezer, please? So while we are wait for Trinity to get back with the ice, bring the hose over. I want you to put water in this about up to here, okay? Okay, whoa.
Ow, that's a
Trinity's back with the glass. What we're going to do is set this cover on the top.
I'll put it.
And we're going to put a couple ice cubes in there.
Okay.
Yeah, 2's going to be enough. Okay?
Okay.
All right?
I'm going to take one.
Okay, this is what it looks like. Just kind of try to focus on it. I can't see the screen. So, it says place the model outside under the sunshine, which it is. Watch the cloud bluster for a couple of 10 minutes. What happens? What's happening? Do you see drops of water condensing underneath the cover?
Yeah.
This is rain. How it works is the heat from the sun makes the water in the glass warm. This makes some water evaporate into the air in the glass. The warm air rises to the top of the glass where the ice in the cloud blister cools it down. That's the ice. It makes it the air that's rising cool. The water vapor in the air condenses, forming water droplets on the bottom of the cloud. That'll be under this plastic lid here. When there's enough water, it drips down into the mountains, then runs back into the water at the top of the glass. This is a mini model of the water cycle. The water in the glass represents the ocean. That's the water on the bottom. The cloud blister up here, it represents a cloud, and the dripping water represents rain. You will also notice some rainwater collect in the small drips in the mountain, which represents a lake in real life. This would be fresh water because the minerals that make seawater salty are left behind in the sea when the water evaporates. Some water will seep through the soil, collect in the base of the mountain. This represents underground water. If you want, you can grow a bean on the mountain. Cut open the mountaintop with a scissors, germinate a broad bean, put the germinated bean into the hole in the mountain so it will continue to grow. So this is a mini water cycle. Does anybody see rain yet?
Not yet. No, but the mountain looks like it's getting snowy. How is
So it says it takes about 10 minutes. So let's see what time it is and check on the other experiment. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. We are going to look at the temperature and see if it's any different between the inside the bottle and outside the bottle. Now, outside the bottle, it reads the same temperature. Well, actually, it's only 36 degrees Celsius outside. Inside,
What?
36 degrees Celsius.
Help me! Looks like there's snow in it.
So based on this, there's not really much of a difference between inside the bottle and outside the bottle. We'll leave it for another 20 minutes and see what it's at 20 minutes from now. Did you write down the temperatures? So, for this we're going to make it a little bit funner by using food coloring. we are going to use a little bit of vinegar in each cup. Don't, if you can't drink it, just hold on. This is going to be cool, trust me. We're going to measure carbon dioxide gases inside the bottle, but we're going to do it with color. So, yellow. Who wants yellow?
Me! I love
Okay.
pink for me.
Gonna add you a little bit of yellow.
I want blue.
Okay. Chloe,
I won't spill it.
Chloe can have some green.
Can
Can I have
I?
that, Hopi?
Can I pour my own? Yay.
About 4 or 5 drops. Okay?
Ew, it smells gross.
Be careful. This stuff stains your fingers, so be careful.
1,
4 or 5 drops.
1,
Close the
2.
lid tight.
I did 5 drops.
Let me see the food coloring.
1, 2, 3, 4. This stuff stinks.
It's vinegar.
Ew.
All right.
Food coloring stinky.
So we are going to pop it on. First, we are going to put some baking soda in the bottle.
Looks like strawberry juice.
Hold the funnel so it doesn't fall on me, Aiden.
Okay. This looks like snow. This
It's baking soda.
That looks like
Okay, lift it up a little bit and add some air so it flows faster.
apple.
Okay.
Lemon juice.
So, there's baking soda.
Do we pour our
Oh wait, we'll need the funnel.
No.
Hold on. One at a time. One at a time.
I want to try. Nice.
Calm
No,
down.
one at a time.
Calm down, guys.
I poured in.
All right, where's the lid? Okay, it was at 32 degrees Celsius Fahrenheit the temperature before we did this. Now,
Look at the bottom.
we got the lid in. It will contain the gas inside the bottle.
Look at the bottom.
And we're going to see if the temperature rises from the carbon dioxide gas.
Why is my cup? Why was it bubbling up?
Look at it.
It's like rainbow juice. No! Mine is the green one. That's my color, green.
Now it's all green.
Yeah, my color. Blue. Green. Can we please have some more? I want to see it explode again. I like it. It was like a volcano.
It doesn't explode, it fizzes because the vinegar and the soda react to each other.
Yuck! Who touched it? Looks like slobber.
Now I can't see. I shook it. Now I can't see nothing.
What do we do now?
We're just gonna let this sit.
Little more, honey.
It's reading
It's reading me.
26 degrees. And the outside one is 31 degrees Celsius. So it's reading at a cooler temperature. Is this in the than outside?
Shake it.
Carbon dioxide gases is supposed to make the temperature rise. Why don't you place that in the sun, and we will let it sit in the sun and see if the temperature rises that way.
Almost up to the top.
I want to read down it in. Oh yeah. Look. See the little bit of water in that groove right there? And, see there's a little bit of water in that groove of the mountain?
Right in there?
Yeah, that would represent a lake that would form on the top of the mountain.
Oh.
So it is working. It's just slow. So we'll just leave it. Yeah.
Cool.
But it's only going to be a little amount of water because it's only a little tiny water cycle. Yeah. Okay. inside it's reading, okay, the temperature is rising.
So it's getting hotter?
30 degrees inside the bottle. 30 degrees inside the bottle, and it's 32 outside the bottle. So it's still warmer outside the bottle than inside the bottle.